Oh my bitch, this bitch just said no. Oh. Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Mpumi and Co. with Leo Flair, with funds and galore, where investing means more. So, guys, today we're gonna be giving you guys a breakdown, and we're gonna be sharing more information that is knowledgeable and that is prone to help you become a very profitable trader tomorrow. Like we said, we believe in transparency over anything, guys. So this is why we do this, so that you guys can actually see whether this is the community that you want to be a part of, the movement that you want to be a part of. Like I said, trading is a sport. It requires skills and it requires practice and it requires a lot of effort and consistency, guys. So basically, we are here to give you everything that we know, the way that we approach the market, and more, guys. So make sure that you watch this video until the end, guys. You'll never know, you might actually learn something that can help you. Maybe you do have everything figured out, but you're just missing that one aspect in your trading. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And guys, without further wasting time, let's just dive straight into it, guys. So I'm gonna allow my boy just do a little introduction before we start with the market breakdown.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Leo Flair. We're back again with another one. We're back again to break down the market. We're back again to fight the brokers. We're back again to fight the market manipulators, guys. Yeah. So we're about to dive deeper into the gold markets and USDJPY. I'll be breaking down one metal and one currency down for you guys for let me just say 2 days. I think it's Tuesday today, so we got like 3 days left for trading. So it's almost a week, 3 days left. So we're breaking down what we have for 3 days left in the markets, and then let's get into it, guys. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's run it out.
Notification
Thank
bell
you,
too.
guys.
Hit that notification bell.
Uh, hit that. So, guys, we starting on weekly time frame. Why we start analyzing on a higher time frame is so that we block out the noise, so that we catch our support and resistance, highs and lows, areas of sensitivity, areas where the market reverses or breaks out and retests, continues, or it reverses towards the other direction. So guys, now as you can see that I'm highlighting my highs and lows, my areas of sensitivity in the markets right now. As we can see, the market has been playing around these areas a lot. And then now, guys, I just want to make things straight that when you analyze online chart, you block noise more than you analyze already on your candlestick chart. So your candlestick chart, you'll go into it as soon as we start diving into our trends. We start here to block out noise. So I just wanna highlight my playground, which is here, just to show you guys this is my playground, my area of play. This is where I play around for now. But as we can see, gold has been in a bullish momentum already. So we can already say that we have a very strong preceding, we have a very strong bullish preceding trend. As you can see that we have gold being in strong bullish momentum since in my daily time frame. That means that is my higher directional trend that I've allocated right now, my higher momentum that I've allocated. Now I'm just going to switch on to my candlesticks so that I can be able to see how is my market playing right now on my current market price. So this is where gold is right now, guys. Gold is here for this whole week. It's gonna be playing around here unless it goes down or it goes up. So we are gonna be analyzing this part of the market today, and I hope you guys saw how Fed was kind of influencing gold. Fed can really influence gold in a really positive manner, sometimes in a negative manner, depending on which direction you're in. So just make sure that you're in a good direction. So now I'm just allocating my area of resistance and support right now. As you can see that we have the market playing around this area. We have the market performing buys and sells, which is bullish and bearish momentum. Now it's in a bullish momentum again, as you guys can see right here. Okay. So now we can see that gold has been playing around this area of support and resistance. That every time it reaches my ceiling, my resistance, it goes down. Every time it reaches my floor, my support, it buys every time. So we can see that all this that really respects structure. Guys, it really respects structure and it really respects levels and it really respects the previous market momentum. So now guys, I'm going to go into my 4-hour time frame just so that I get my present trends. I get where the market is facing right now. But in my daily time frame, because in my weekly time frame I saw that we have a bullish preceding trend. So right now I want to see on my daily time frame what type of momentum am I looking at. So we can see that since gold is making a type of a bullish momentum. Why we say it's a bullish momentum, we can see that gold is consisting of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, guys, and that we can see that gold broke throughout the structure, changing the structure into a bullish momentum right now. We can see that gold has broken counter breaking the trend as we said last week. You know what made gold break the structure? NFP last week. As you can see, it broke out of the structure right here. And now it's gonna try breaking out of structure again. It's coming to retest. I mean, so guys, trying to retest just around here. But we'll get to that as soon as I go into my lower time frames. I just wanted you guys to see that how NFP made price to break, continuing upward, and then it's going to retest around the NFP level right now. So now I'm still in my daily time frame. So now as you guys can see that we saw that gold was in a bearish momentum, hitting lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and now it's performing some type of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So now we can see that it came to our support and then it made a bullish momentum. Sorry, a bullish. You can see that we have bullish engulfing candles right there. That means it reversed on our support, creating bullish momentum. So every time the market reaches our support, we're expecting it to buy. Every time it reaches our resistance, we're expecting it to sell, to fall down. So let me just remove those ones so that they cannot disturb us when we dive deeper. Now I just want to allocate my zones for you guys. So my zones, my areas also, they are my areas of bullish and bearish momentums. So now we are going to just allocate my zones. I'll start ruling out my zones for you guys. Guys, this is pure knowledge. from two pure mentors just willing to give out knowledge just for free without payment. And then now we can see that we have the market playing around this area a lot, having bullish momentums around this area. As you can see, even now the current market price is still in a bullish momentum since it reached this area right here. That's why it's my zone. So we are gonna still mark some more zones just to block out the noise, guys. Okay, here's another zone I have just to align them. I don't want my charts to look messy, guys, so I just align them a bit straight up, and then we have a zone there. Mm. So guys, now we can see that we have more zones allocated where we were seeing lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then now the price is changing to higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it's making lows, higher low, lower low, and then now the price is changing again after it played around this zone. Minding you, even price does not need to retest straight upon the level. Even if it plays around the zone, plays around that level, it's still reversing around that price time. Because we can have, you see it's 2000 and then it's 2200, 2300, but you can see it's still in the range of 2000, 2500, 2300. That is why it reversed around this area because it's still valuable. It's still validated this area as an area of support. So now we can dive deeper. We see that this trend is exhausted, this bearish trend is exhausted, and we might be having the market retesting, breaking out, and then performing a retest just up out of the structure. You can see now it's making a double retest going upwards, completing the structure right there. But because I'm a sentimental trader, maybe if CPI is positive, it might be selling gold just for a bit, and then gold will just head back again. If CPI decreases, that means that gold is gonna just gain power and just go complete the structure, just like that. So you just wait for the event to play out. 30 minutes after the event, you just check the markets where they are. They can just kill it.
Just let them know when they can expect the CPI, which stands for Consumer Price Index news, to air. When can they expect it to air?
The CPI, guys, is on Thursday. I think around past two, Thursday half past two. Yeah. Let me just log on to my investing. I think it's Thursday half past two. So guys, we can see that since I said that the market is broke out of structure, we can see that gold has been in a bullish momentum also on the 4-hour time frame. Right now, I just want to show you guys how I mean we in a bullish momentum because we have support and resistance. At the support going to the resistance, coming back to the support. Now it's going back to the resistance. It's back at the support. It's heading for the higher resistance because the market. You remember at the last video I told you guys that the market has a very high tendency of coming back to the highest position reached and coming back to the lowest position reached. As you can see, when I show you guys my support and resistance levels, you can see that the market was at the support, went for my resistance, came for my support, went for my resistance, came for my support, goes for my resistance. So we buy low and we sell high. I don't know if you guys get it. When the market is low, we buy. When the market is high, we sell. But you analyze the market because you need a lot of confirmation. You don't just confirm with one confirmation. So on my 4-hour, guys, I just want to dive deeper just to show you guys that the trend is still bullish. Now I'm going to show you guys the power of trends in trends. now we can see that the market has been playing around this area. And minding you guys, if I can you or I'm still on my 4 hour, if I can show you my Fibonacci numbers, you'd see that gold is retesting, I think, around the 0.5, which is that bullish momentum that we are looking for. Because now, if gold is testing on the 0.5, I don't know if you guys can see that it's playing around the 0.5 right here. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
We have my numbers right here. This is my 0.5, and you see we have the market right here around the 0.5. You see what I mean about that level being validated, even though the market is not exactly at the price. You see, the market can just play around that and then still respect that same price. Just look at what happened here with the manipulation around here. You see, came back to respect that price. The market has a very good sense of respecting price. So let me just remove my fab, and then we dive deeper. Now we are going to go into my 1 hour. Before we go into my one hour time frame, I just want to show you guys why am I saying that the market is bullish right now. It's performing higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then making another second lower low, which is a double confirmation of that buy coming in and then retesting going up there upwards. So we might be having gold buying in the next coming days, even from today, I think, gold to start buying. And then now we can see that my choosing, we can see how price has been retesting on my zones. And now we go 1 hour. Here we can see that price in my 1 hour has been in a bearish momentum. Means that we are anticipating that breakout into structure right now. So to put that for you. There we go. So right now, as you guys can see that we have the market being in a bearish momentum, performing lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, and then now it's on type of a W. If you can check, it's a type of a structure of a W right now, looking for those buys.
And like I always say, W is a reversal pattern which always like happens at the resistance at the support. You'll only find high quality W's on the support, and you'll only find high quality M's on the resistance. Those are just reversal patterns, guys.
Yeah, always, because they are patterns, they are reversal pattern or continuation patterns. Also, so now I'm anticipating a counter breakout into the retest right around here, and then we have the market going right there. And then I would prefer my entry to be around here. Minding you guys, I had sales open from earlier on because the Fed had sales coming in, so I took sales. So I might be closing those rounds. They are not losses. So guys, this thing called risk management is the one that makes trading very interesting, because you can literally lose a trade and then don't lose the account, just lose the initial amount or just have a drawdown and then just cover that amount by just, guys, when you lose, don't let the market fool you. Don't let the happiness bring joy and then the losses bring sorrow, because that's when you are gonna stop trading. So if you trade, then you lose, then you're gonna back down from the market. Then you don't know that your winning streak was gonna come after, that you are gonna start winning after, because if you stick to the market and then analyze, work on your mistakes, that's when you are gonna fix the mistake. So if you back out, that's when it's chat. So guys, if you let your wins make you happy, you're still immature trader. If you let your losses make you angry, you're still an immature trader. Get used to losses and profits. They're just part of the market. It's just part of the game. Get used to it. So we can see that we are having a W right here, guys. You guys can see that it's a type of a W. I'm just waiting for the market to confirm me for that buy, because guys, the past 3 months this year, past 2 months, 3 months, I've been trading Fed, Federal Reserve. When Jerome Powell speaks, I've been catching a lot of buys, like trading the market was bullish momentums a lot. That's why I had a lot of momentum of the market falling because of Jerome Powell, because he's still gonna speak again. But we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see, and we trade what the market is giving us. That is why even when you dive deeper, guys, you dive deeper into your current market price. You go deeper into your current market price. As you can see, before I take a trade, I'm willing to wait for the market to up a bit. Oh, sorry for that. Where you go in my trend? To go up a bit, retest, then go up like this. This is the nature of the market is. Before I even need to start taking a trade. So I think I'll be hitting some SLs, drawdowns here, because I have sales anticipated to go down, down, downwards. I think I had first around here open. So I'll be having some drawdowns right there, but I'll be waiting for it to do this. So I'm having bullish for gold. It might be even bullish for the whole week until upwards here, even coming months, it will be bullish. So as you guys can see how my trends are really playing out. Just want to show you guys how the power of trends is playing. Just check that. Gonna had a buy here, and then we still had the trade open as a swing trade. Take another buy here, completed swing. You see guys. So the market just needs patience. Take your time. Be you. Trade what you see. Don't trade what you think and what you hear. Stick to the plan. Stick to a trading plan. Stick to the knowledge. Stick to the strategy you are taught. Don't try and juggle everything around. Then you're gonna start
Facts.
being out of the market. So now I'm gonna take you on to
Before you take them on
USD.
there, ne, let me just
Can I go back?
now
Let me go back.
let me just give them my quick analysis on gold for this coming weekend. Just so we can just round
So
about gold quickly.
let me just stop my screen share. There.
So I am currently. I'm not gonna reanalyze this. Like I stated, I have already a gold analysis posted. I think I posted it yesterday, and I
Yeah.
think I took my entries yesterday. So this is basically how my setup is currently. Can you see my can you see my screen? I'm not sure if you
Not yet.
you let me just do this. Let me share. Let me just do this, man. Let me look at this. So guys, basically, like I stated, I set up my analysis for gold yesterday. So just to give you a quick recap, right? So we had the daily, we have our daily trend right here. Like I stated, I highlighted it in purple so that we can distinguish between our daily and our 4 hours. So we have our trend right here. The market came back here, came back down, came back here. Then it eventually, okay, my thing is frozen. It eventually broke out. So now the market is kind of correcting. So typically what happens is that after a correction, because we had an impulse, we had a very beautiful impulse of a correction. As for how long that was a mistake. As for how long the correction can take, we don't know. But we do know that, like, literally after a correction, my thing is, after a correction we can expect impulses to the upside, right? That's basically the fundamental law. So let's just dive into the 4 hours quickly. Okay. So in the 4 hours we have. Okay, no. I think my network is tripping. Let me just do this and delete this. So as you can see, the market is playing above our daily resistance, which is our purple. Then we have a 4 hour trend right here. So the market created, it was respecting trend, created a fake out, came back to test the overall support, and now it is creating a new channel. So we anticipated, like I stated, anticipating pushes to the upside. So I literally took in this trade. If you want to follow the setup, guys, is basically have the stop loss here around 2347.86. You can place it there. Then if you're gonna follow it, it just simply means that you're gonna be entering above here. So then your things will just be slightly adjusted. But understand that, guys, look at this. We have another key level right here. We have a key level right here, which can also affect our trades, right? You have this key level right here, our zone right here. If the market fails to break this, we can the market can literally just push down. And we also have another obstacle that can hinder our trades right here, right just before our TP hit. So basically, what I can do in this situation is that once the market breaks above, gives us a retest and pushes to the upside, we can literally just break even with the trade. We just put our stop loss below, so that if the market does reverse below, at least we know if it breaks this, because literally if it breaks above and retest this resistance, will be a new support. So basically, it will be advisable to have your stop loss just around break even. Okay, my thing is literally not working with me right now. So right now, the market is literally just supporting everything that we're doing. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. So yeah, guys, so basically that's what we've been doing. So we also have, like Leo stated, we have a trend also going down here. So the market can fully respect this trend, and if it does, it's gonna take us out, right? Literally, it's gonna take us out. Okay, the market is moving back again. I think it just opened. The reason that also confirmed that our trade is proper is that, guys, like I state, the market moves in impulse correction, right? So we had our first impulse move. It's like the Elliott wave. The market moves in three waves. There's
Yeah,
three impulses. So we had our
the
first
late wave.
impulse, then we have a second correction. I mean our first correction and second impulse, right? I mean correction. But it's a minor one. So okay, this is our second. We had our first impulse. Okay, we can count this as an impulse too. So literally, the market can create another impulse to the upside, because now we can consider this a correction. The market needs to breathe before making those pushes to the upside. Even though we are calculating that the market might get at the end of this resistance right here, we wanna exit before this resistance here. We'll only look for entries once the market breaks it and gives us another correction. Why? Because it will be impulse correction, then you'll look for those pushes to the upside. And another thing that's gonna make our position right now at high probability is that when you switch to the 1 hour, look at how the last candle closed. It closed in a bullish engulfing pattern on the 4 hours, which is more mightier than a bullish engulfing happening on the 1 hour
Are you
or
able?
the 30
Are
minutes.
you able to zoom a bit?
Yeah, let me just
I'll zoom in a bit.
yeah. So as you can see here, we have a nice bullish engulfing. So the market,
Yeah,
the bullish
yeah,
trend just engulfed this right now. So that's
yeah.
another confirmation. So let's just calculate how many things are stating that we're in the correct trade. First off, the daily trend supports everything. As you can see, we've broken above our daily resistance, which is the first confirmation. Second confirmation is that we have a trend going down, whereby the market broke out of this trend, retesting this trend, meaning that normally when a market breaks above a trend, it tends to go the full way. So we have two confirmations supporting our trend. So far we have a beautiful key level here, which you can also highlight as a zone if you want to. You see, so we have three confirmations, bullish engulfing 4, and we also have this new formed trend that's happening now. There's 5 confirmations, and let's calculate how many confirmations for sales. So the market can literally respect this area here, push to the downside. That's one confirmation.
One.
It has not created a head and shoulder. It's not a very clear head and
Perfect.
shoulders
Yeah.
yet. Yeah. So if it does push down breaks, then yeah, that's when you can say it's a clear one. So you have one literally here. Yeah, that's literally one. So we have 5 stating buy and we have one
Yeah.
for sell.
No
But
one. Yeah.
always
So
keep
let
in
me
mind
explain
that,
properly.
as you can see, if I was literally 100% sure that the market was going in my direction, I'm not gonna put in a stop loss, but I did place a stop loss. As you can see, I have an alert here. This is to signal to me that I'm out of the trade, right? So I also need to place an alert maybe above here for my stop loss, for my stop loss and profit. So I'll just place in an alert there, so that I know that when the market gets here, I'm just gonna adjust the stop loss. So now I know that I have alerts placed here and I have an alert placed here. So I don't literally need to check the market every time. I can just check it after 8, 7. Does not even really matter even if I check it or not, as long as neither of my uh, alerts are triggered. There's literally like I just know that the market is either playing around this area, it's either playing somewhere around here, right? It's either playing anywhere between these two alerts. I've created an alert playground. I'll name it an alert playground. So like I said, this is the only thing that I see that can literally just jeopardize our trade. The market can just push here and just continue to spiral down. Literally, it can do that, creating a new wave of a trend. Literally can do that. So for now, we end these trades, guys. Like I always say, trade with proper risk management. Just because I stated this and this does not literally mean that you should do it. The only reason I'm giving you this signal is because I'm literally just in this trade right now and recording right now. So I encourage you guys to trade safe and everything, man. Use proper risk management. Know that any trade, even your high probability setups, can literally fail you. It can. Otherwise, man, I would not be using a stop loss. Literally. So that's basically it. We literally in profit now. We took this trade here on my MT4 account. We went in with a zero point 0.2 lot size. So you wanna just see how the market literally plays out. If you wanna see maybe my full breakdown in terms of how I got you, if you're still not sure in terms of whether you should take it or you want to take it but you want more clarification in terms of why I took this trade, go check out my gold setup. It's not posted not so long ago. So that's basically it. I have literally nothing else to analyze, guys. That's basically it for now. So I'm gonna give it back to my boy Leo. Let me just switch back to to the thing. Okay, everything looks good. Yeah. We're on 30. We're on 33 minutes. We're on 33 minutes, bro. So can you just do it
Opposites.
quick, ne? Nah. It's recording.
Um,
Let
now,
me just let me just
almost.
stop screen sharing. I'm just stopping the screen sharing now. Okay, there we go. Let me just check if everything is still moving properly. Okay, everything is okay. Yeah. So let's just try and not make it above 40 minutes. Don't make it too long. So yeah, just do
Sure.
the Euro JPY. Just summarize everything quick. Guys, if you
Now is the USDJPY.
yeah, just summarize it for them
Oh, I
quickly.
think I think I think I think I think I think let me give them USD because it's gonna buy because USD is already in bias, like it's already in profit.
Oh
It's
yeah,
just retesting up the levels. So let me give them some type of a signal type of thing.
oh well.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Why am I saying not USD JPY? As you guys can see what's going on around in JPY. You see, I'm already in profits already, so it's just gonna retest around and then
Wait.
continue going
Okay,
up.
now it's recording. Damn, bro,
You
that's
see,
a
guys.
sexy
So,
vibe. Hey.
hey, man.
Ah,
So it's just gonna retest and then continue upwards. So it's just in a bullish momentum. So it's like already. Sometimes, guys, you need to accept when you miss an entry. You know, I also have some entries that I miss. I have entries that I catch. So this one I caught
right.
is already in profit. So I'm just gonna wait for retests, then continuation upwards. I'm gonna give you guys a type of a signal thing right now, real quick. Let me join into the weekly. Delete everything quickly. So guys, remember we dive deeper onto our weekly to get our noise out of the way. So we're blocking out the noise right now, the noise right now. We don't need noise. We don't need noise in the charts.
Yes, sir. Noise will kill you.
So
Yeah,
now,
noise. It'll make you think that you're crazy.
yeah, crazy, yeah. Now we're just allocating out our highs and lows. I can see that this is already my playground. You can see already that here's my playground. I just want to go to my candlesticks just to get my key levels right, and then just to get my support and resistance key levels right. Okay, so now we can see that already in my weekly, it was in a type of a, it's already in a bullish type of a momentum, but we can see that it has already reached the high. It was playing around the high, so it's either we're anticipating a break above retest. Why? Just want to check because we can see that the market was at its lowest point right here. As you guys can see, it was at the lowest point, it was at the highest point. You see? You guys can see, right?
Yeah. Oh, that triple bottom was six.
Bruh. So now, what we can see is that we are anticipating the market to come back up to this level right here. So I told you guys, the market will always come back to the low, will always go back to the high. Always come back to the low, will always try to go back to the high. So as we can see, we are still in our playground, which is here. The market is making some type of a reversal right there, and we have a bullish momentum in it. Maybe a trend might be exhausted when time goes by after the CPIs and everything. Because now mainly we have CPI coming in, and then but past weeks CAD has been killing USD because it has been gaining power over the USD. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna get my zones on my daily time frame. Just allocate my zones real quick. Now these are my areas where I see a lot of sensitivity, where the market is really playing around. There's another zone here. And then I think we have another zone here. So guys, we can see that my highs and lows, support and resistance, supply and demand zones, here they are. Okay, let me go into my 4 hour now. In my 4 hour, I can see that I seem to have a type of bullish momentum, and then I seem to have a playground because the market is seem to be consolidating around this area. As we can see, we have the market playing around this area. Yeah, guys, okay. So I'm just gonna play around here, analyze this part of the market because it seems to be where the market is playing around. So now I'm just gonna block out the noise there with my levels, support and resistance levels. Yeah, so much of them. And then now we can see that in this current market price, we can see that price has been in a bearish momentum. Look at this market manipulation, guys. Look at this market manipulation. Hey, the brokers are manipulating. Out of the structure, our structure right here, playing around. Just try to kill those ones who are impatient.
Wait for that retest. If you don't wait for that retest, hey man.
It's gonna kill you, bro. So we can see that the market has been in a bearish momentum a lot, and then now we have it picking around the support. Now see the floor, and now we see that it created some bullish engulfing patterns. Now it's creating some type of a bullish flag, as you can see. So now we're anticipating a counter breakout out of the trend. So as we dig deeper into my 1 hour, I can see that the market is still consolidating around this area, guys. The market is still playing around this area. But as you can see, what I'm talking about, a flag, not so exciting like one type of a flag, if you can check. Anticipating that retest and then market changing the structure. So guys, the market has a very big tendency of mistaking structure. Then I'm anticipating it to change the structure. Why? Also, let me show you guys that I can correlate what I see in the bigger picture. I can correlate into seeing it in the smaller picture, and then correlating everything together in the market. So now I'm going to show you guys why I'm saying that this is a changing trend, changing pattern, market reversal. As you can see that we had the market falling here, right here, and then we had it making a breakout here or a retest there. I think, let me put the indicator for most touches. And then we see we had the market falling. Lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it's creating a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower low. So now we are looking for that higher high, lower low. So we can see that I'm anticipating price to change right now, structure to change right now, because now we can see that CAD is reversing the cells, and then now it's doing some type of a bullish momentum for buyers. As we can see, that the flag that I'm talking about is right here. We have a impulse correction, then we're gonna expect that impulse correction towards the upside, guys. So I'm waiting for my entry. Let me dive into my 30 minutes. I'll say that, well, guys, because we have small and big accounts, I'm already in this trade, so I'm just holding we're just waiting for the buy. But entry that you can enter and entries that I'm also gonna be entering also again in is when the market does this, guys. I think after the market has done this, and then I'll just catch those for the buys, and then I'll just catch the market right here. But after it retested, but right now I'm already in the trade. But for you guys, if you want to trade, just wait for it to be above this zone. As you can see, it's some type of a zone. Just wait for the market to break above the zone, and then there's a perfect entry for you guys. Guys, we are giving you pure signals, pure trades, guys. If you don't see this, walala, what's up? Okay, I'm gonna pass it down to my boy. Thank you for your time, guys. Check the CPI on Thursday, and then check Fed. Jerome Powell. He's still speaking now. I think he's done. I think he's gonna be speaking again tomorrow. Or nah, I think on Thursday. Yeah, Thursday he's gonna be speaking again for the CPI. You guys, please, guys, like and subscribe, share all that. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, all of that. Please, guys, check all our major platforms. Like, comment, subscribe, and us up. We are running it up. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your time.
Yo, so guys, yes, and my boy's gonna start his new channel soon, so be aware for that. Look for any updates that we make. Guys, I'm telling you, man, we delivering, we're going hard. 2024, we're not playing around. So yeah, like you said, hit that like button, subscribe, then we'll check you guys soon, man.